take a look at the data model that we're playing around with right now. So we have courses and modules, right? And now in a module, if you're looking at a module for this week or a module for next week, we'll see that if you select a particular module on the right-hand side of whiteboard or blackboard, you have all sorts of either folders or content or links or whatever. You have quizzes, exams. You have all different types of content, and so let's represent that content. We'll say that they are widgets, different types of widgets that you might put inside of a module, right? So let's establish here another Java class, and we call it a widget. And that widget can have maybe private int ID and private string name. It may be, that's it, name. Let's establish a couple of, generate a couple content for all the fields. Okay, so this widget, let's annotate this so that it becomes a table. So we'll say entity, and this is we're going to initialize the table name. We'll override it so that the name is instead widgets. Okay, and this will be our primary key. So this is ID, and this is going to be a generated. No, sorry, this will be a generated value whose strategy is the identity strategy. Perfect. So what I'd like to be able to establish is that each widget will you're going to have many widgets to a module. So a module can contain many widgets. So something like course contains modules, modules contain widgets. So there's a one-to-many relationship between modules and widgets. Yes? Right. So to implement that, we need here on the many side, we're going to have the parent module, right? And we are on the many side of a one-to-many relationship. Yes? Right. And we need the setters and getters for that. Okay. And on the module side, we're going to have a list of widgets that are contained inside of the module. Right. So we'll have this private list of widgets. So widgets. Okay. And we are on the one side of a one-to-many side relationship. So the module is participating in a many-to-one with courses, but it's participating in a one-to-many with widgets. Make sense? Right. So we are here on the one-to-many relationship, and the widget is referencing us. We're being mapped by the widget to us as the module. Okay, and we need the setters and getters for this. There we have setter and getter. Very good. Okay. All right. So we have that. Let's run this and see what we have. So this should create a brand new table called widget. There it is, right? And establish a foreign key, call module ID that references the module's primary key ID. Yeah. So if we go back and we refresh. Right, we should have a new widgets table that has the primary key, the field, and then the foreign key that goes back to the parent. Everybody okay? That's great. Excellent. So what about